Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be looking at another problem on momentum, and it states a girl of mass 50 kg jumps out of a rowing boat of mass 300 kg on the bank, with a horizontal velocity of 3 meters per second. With what velocity does the boat begins to move backward? Now this question is slightly different from the first one you just saw. Now we need to calculate the girl's momentum. The girl's momentum, which is P equal to mv, and we know the girl has a mass of 50 kg and she jumps out of a rowing boat with a horizontal velocity of 3 meters. So this is 3 meters per second. That means her momentum is 50 multiplied by 3. That will give us 150 kilogram meter per second. Now we need to calculate the boat's momentum also. It's also giving us P being equal to, this is m1 v1, and this has to be what? P is equal to m2 v2. Now the boat has a mass of 300 kg, so the velocity is unknown, and that is what we are about to calculate. With what velocity does the boat begins to move backward? Now since the momentum here has to be equal to the momentum here, we have that m2 v2 has to be equal with m1 v1, m2 being 300, v2 is still unknown, then m1 being, we've calculated m1 v1 here to be 150, and that is what you are seeing here. So this is the same thing as saying v2 is equal to 150 divided by 300, and this will give us 1/2, which is the same thing as 0.5 meter per second.